బాలీవుడ్ నుంచి టాలీవుడ్ లోకి ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చేసిన మన్నారా చోప్రా ఫస్ట్ సినిమా జక్కన్న రెస్పాన్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నా లేకపోయినా మన్నారా చేతిలో మాత్రం చాలా సినిమాలే ఉన్నాయి. మరి ఈ బాలీవుడ్ భామ స్పెషల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ మీకోసం.
So yes, and I think now I should just keep quiet because yes, there's definitely a reason why I'm not dancing in the movie because my Hi, this is Manara Chopra and I'm here to promote my upcoming film Tikka.
హాయ్ మన్నారా, జక్కన్న సక్సెస్ ని ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు?
I'm thoroughly enjoying the success of Jakanna. I think I'm blessed that Telugu audience they accepted me and they treated me so well. So I'm really overwhelmed and I'm very happy with the response.
ఓకే, మీకు వచ్చిన బెస్ట్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఏంటి?
The best compliment which I have received is from the audience, of course. The best is about the dance, and when the reviewers they said really good things about my acting. So it was really overwhelming for me as an actor that if reviewers, if critics are saying that they liked my work and they appreciated it.
తిక్కా నుంచి మీ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ ఏంటి?
Tikka, I have great expectations. I thoroughly enjoyed the shoot of Tikka on and off, whether it was Malaysia or Hyderabad. I met a lot of people from the industry, a lot of senior actors, experienced actors. So, chala baundi and I love the experience in totality because I never thought that there'll be so many senior actors and I was a little conscious. I have to do scenes with them, and will they accept me because my Telugu dialect at that point of time was not very clear. So, but yes, everything happened for good, and now I'm waiting for 13th for the film to release, and I hope Telugu audience they like to watch me in a different kind of role and a very interesting kind of role, which is quite different from what I have done in past.
సాయిధరన్ తేజ్ చాలా మంచి డాన్సర్ కదా, మరి తేజు టాలెంట్ తో మ్యాచ్ అవ్వడానికి మీరు ఎలాంటి కేర్ తీసుకున్నారు?
Yes, he's a great dancer and I had been watching all the rushes and all the trailers in television and websites, and it was lovely watching him. But my track in the film is completely different, so people will not see me dancing with him, though I am in the songs, but you won't be seeing me dancing in the film specifically, but there's a lot of interesting things which audience can watch out for.
మీరు తిక్కలో డాన్స్ చేయకపోవడానికి రీజన్ ఏమైనా ఉందా?
Yes, there's definitely a reason why I'm not dancing in the movie because my character is very different. It's a very different kind of girl she is. It's basically something very different for Telugu audience to watch. People have been asking me that how come I picked up the film and what made me do the film. I think what made me do the film is my character in the film. I always say that whether it's a longer duration or a shorter duration, what matters at the end is how you perform on screen and what is your role and is it speaking for itself. So this probably was one reason why I picked up the role, and that's the reason I'm not dancing in the film, but there is a lot of different stuff which I'm going to be trying and which Telugu audience will get to see.
అంటే మరి స్టంట్స్ చేస్తున్నారన్నమాట.
Yes, in this movie, at least this much I can tell you about my character. Yes, you will see me doing a lot of action. There were times when I have done stunts on harness, and it was a nice experience because I like all those kind of things as well. It's a very experimental thing, and it's very fewer chance in Telugu industry where you get to see a character like that or girls doing stunts and all. So yes, excited.
మరి ఈ రోల్ కి ఎలాంటి హోంవర్క్ చేశారు?
My preparation, basically I'm totally a director's actor. I've always been saying that if director, my day always starts that if director will give me a scene on set, may it be any film, I just listen to the director and I do that much. I feel if you just if you believe the director and you do as per what they require on that very day on set, then you are sorted for the day. So same for this movie, they had seen my Hindi film Zid, and they thought that acting wise they won't face any trouble. The only thing was Telugu, which I had to work on because this was the first film I signed here. So I started learning a lot of Telugu, which really helped me. So for this very character, apart from the acting and whatever, I totally left it to the director, but I was working on my Telugu accent.
తేజుతో వర్క్ చేశాక ఇంకా మెగా హీరోతో నటించాలి అని అనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, I have worked with Sai Dharam Tej, and I'm really happy. I initially, when I got to know that I'll be working with Sai Tej, I was really excited and I was looking forward to meet him, and I had a good time shooting with him. And of course, as you just mentioned, that I'm looking forward to work with other mega heroes as well, if given an opportunity.
తేజు సెట్స్ మీద ఎలా ఉంటాడు?
Dharam Tej on set, I have to say he's a very well balanced person. Very decent, very sweet, very humble, and a very balanced person. He knows how to balance things out. While we were shooting, there were about I think 22 artists specifically when we were shooting in Malaysia, but it was never like that he's just sitting in one person's company. He would interact with everyone, and so was with the other artists. They were interacting with everyone, and so I think it's a very sweet gesture, specifically if I don't know much about the person and someone is coming and they are speaking, because initially we'll also feel shy, but sweet interaction and very hardworking person, of course. I mean, when first time I did a shot with him, I was completely taken aback because in real life he's very soft, sweet, and there, if you even see the trailers and all, there's a lot of comedy, a lot of punches, and very he's looking like this and very different. So I'm very excited, and I wish him all the best.
తిక్క ట్రైలర్ లో మీరు చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ గా
Yeah.
కనిపిస్తున్నారు. జక్కన్నలో సాఫ్ట్ రోల్. మీ కమెంట్ ఏంటి?
My look in this movie is totally different. In fact, my director says, Manara, when you'll watch the film, you'll get to know every character is looking very different. Whether it's Tej, whether it's Larissa, though it's her first movie, so yes, I can't say much about how she will look forward in her, how her appearance will be in the films going forward. But other artists like Mumayat, Ali Garu, so many artists, everyone, their appearance is different, the way they look on screen is different. So yes, same as for me. That's the reason why you're feeling that, oh, she's looking very different from her previous movie. And honestly, I would take it as a compliment, because it's very nice to hear from audience that, oh, in this film you were looking so different, and now in this film you're looking, it's like a surprise. So yes, I'm looking forward to it.
మరి ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఎలాంటి రోల్స్ చేయాలని ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు?
I always say that I want to experiment with the kind of roles I do. When I did my debut film in Hindi, no one ever expected. So I believe in like breaking rules. And from doing a serious Bollywood film like Zid, I jumped on to do a comedy. And now again, I'm trying something new. So I hope when directors, they see me and they audition me or they look at me for a script, they always saying that, oh, she is one person who can look at experimenting not only with her, the way she speaks, the way she emotes in like every film, but also the way she can look for a particular character. So going forward also, I would like to experiment with the kind of roles I do. But if you ask me, I really crave to do a dance-based film, wherein it's totally dance which is happening. And by dance, I definitely like fast dancing, which you have seen in my previous films, but I want something which is very sweet and something which was there in 90s, which probably how Sridevi or Madhuri Dixit used to do, just emoting by face. I think that really brings the silver screen alive, and I would like to do something like that.
ప్రియాంక చోప్రా మీ గర్ల్ కజిన్ కదా, తనతో మీ రిలేషన్షిప్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది?
As every sibling, I have a good equation with my cousins too, and they appreciate my work, I appreciate their work. They always, my sister, she's my inspiration. I think it's only because of her I think I'm in the industry. I would always wanted to do something related to creative arts, may it be like singing or painting or dance or something, but I never thought of becoming an actor. And being an actor is one thing where you can actually utilize your all kind of talents which you have. So I think it's surely the credit goes to my cousin only, because she was an actress, and that's how she paved a path for me. So really grateful and thankful to her.
మీరు మంచి డాన్సర్ అయినప్పటికీ తేజుతో డాన్స్ చేసే ఛాన్స్ రాలేదు అని డిసప్పాయింట్ అయ్యారా?
No, not at all. There have been films where people have appreciated me as an actor, and there was a film where my previous film only, where people appreciated my dance, and in this film I have never signed it as a dance based film, so there's no kind of disappointment. I am in the songs, but I'm doing something very different in the songs, and I mean, even when I'm saying this, I have this quirky smile on my face, so when people will watch it, they'll get to know.
అంటే ఏదైనా సర్ప్రైజ్ ఉందా మీ క్యారెక్టర్కి సంబంధించి?
Yes, there's a lot of surprise in store. Don't expect me to be like a sweet, innocent, bubbly character the way you have seen me in my previous film. Just go with a clear mindset, watch the film, and then I probably will again have an interview, and then you'll be like, oh Manara, it was totally different. So yeah.
మరి ఆ సర్ప్రైజ్ ఏంటో చెప్పండి ప్లీజ్.
It's specifically for your channel. I am out to kill, and I'm out to kill whom is, for that you need to go and watch the film. It's getting released this 13th of August, and all I can say is I'm a very serious person in the film, and I'm out to kill. So you can imagine whom I'm going to kill, and what's going to be the confusion, and how things will get sorted, and what will be my take on it. And I think now I should just keep quiet, because I think people should first watch the film and then see. But yeah, I'm playing a very serious character in the film. Hi to all the India Glitz viewers. Na per Manara Chopra, and my film Tikka is getting released this 13th August in the cinema halls near you. So please do go watch the film and let me know how the film was. You can probably post on my social media sites, social media pages, which is me Manara on Facebook as well as on Twitter.
Thank you so much, Manara, and all the very best.
Not only this song, he has done 4 out of 5 songs in my movie.
Breathe a second. So definition of love for me is welcome guys. Okay, songs was amazing. We shot in Ladakh. Sorry guys.